Srimatre Namaha. Welcome to Satsang with Grandma. We are doing Saundarya Lahari. We finished up to 9 shlokas. We are entering into 10th shloka. Let us chant together. Sudhadharasaraihi charanayugalantharvigalitaihi प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः अवाप्य त्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयं स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणी. 9th and 10th shlokas, both of them are talking about Mother's Kundalini Shakti. Means this is the serpent power, very powerful, like a lightning. That is what we are going to see in this shloka also. This one, let me give you the essence and then we will enter into the shloka. Let us say we will take the spinal cord, all the way at the bottom is called Mooladharam, and then slowly Swadhisthana Manipura Anahata Vishuddhi Agnya Chakram, that is between eyebrows, and then Sahasraram is the Brahmarandhram. That is where Shiva Shakti are together. That is where our goal is to reach that place. So this Mooladharam Chakram, that is where this Kundalini Shakti is coiled up in 3.5 circles and facing down, and then slowly it face up and then travels through like a lightning go through all these Shat chakras, 6 chakras, and reach Sahasrara Chakram. At that time, that sadhaka or seeker or that yogi feels immense joy, inexplicable joy, means happiness, that bliss, inexplicable. This is nobody can compare with anything. That is the shloka's essence. Means all the 72,000 nadis will be immersed in this amrutam, means nectar. Now let us see the shloka. Sudhadharasaraihi. Sudha means amrutam, nectar. Dhara means flow. That amruta dhara, flowing, not stagnant. Where is it coming? Charanayugalantharvigalitaihi. From mother's feet, both feet. Where are the feet now? Mother reached Sahasrara Chakram. It's Brahmarandhram. And then that is called the top of our head. There mother is sitting Shiva Paryanka Nilayam, on Shiva's thigh, on Shiva's lap. And then her feet are reaching on our forehead. That is why we keep bindi, kunkuma, or men usually put vibhuti, or some of them put sinduram. In according to our Sanatana Dharma, mother's feet are right there. Every day when we keep the tilakam, we need to feel that, we need to experience that. Means bhavani bhavana gamya. Through bhavana only we can attain mother. And from mother's feet, that nectar, amrutam is flowing. Then that sadhaka, that seeker or that yogi, that all over body, means 72,000 nadis are in our body. They are not visible, they are subtle nadis. Nadis means subtle. All these 72,000 nadis will be immersed with nectar. That is this shloka's essence. That Kundalini Shakti is like a lightning, and at the Mooladharam it is curled up in 3.5 circles. Then it stretches up, flows through all these chakras, 6 chakras: Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi and Ajna Chakram, and reach Sahasrara Chakram. That is what Shankaracharya is saying in this shloka. And then again, once sadhaka reach that bliss state, then this Kundalini Shakti comes back to Mooladharam. Swapishi Kulakunde Kuharini. Kulakunda means that Mooladharam. Again comes back and stays there. This is the essence. Our prapancham means nothing but our body. Jnanendriya Panchakam, Karmendriya Panchakam means all our organs of perception, organs of action. They are 5 and the organs of actions are 5. And then Sapta Dhatus, 7 Dhatus. Tvakmamsa Rudhira Snayu Medo Majjasti Sankulam means skin, blood, bones, bone marrow and fat, all that put together is this body, including mind. All of them will be immersed. With the mind, he feels that joy, that bliss, that absolute bliss. Nobody can touch that. Nobody can disturb it. This is the effect of this Kundalini Upasana. This is the 10th shloka. We will chant together. Sudhadhara saraihi charanayugalantarvigalitaihi prapancham sinchanti punarapirasamnaya mahasaha avapya tvam bhumim Bhujaganibhamadhyushtavalaya Swamatmanam krutva Swapishikulakunde kuharini. Srimatre Namaha.